Aquí vemos un par de témpanos de hielo flotante. Al fondo se llama glaciers. Esos son glaciares. Glaciers, few iceberg. We just got some particular part of Alaska to watch the glaciers and some iceberg. Catarata al fondo. You saw some glaciers, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Esa montaña altísima. Some glaciers. Now, do you have a place where you can use your Wi-Fi here?
We don't have any available. You might touch some off with some of the people in the neighborhood around here.
It's the only way.
Yeah, I say it. Sometimes I can't even text around here. It won't even send text to us. Yeah, we don't have any here. That's
all right, thank you.
Pretty fast.
Increíble.
Hey, why do you want to
make it like that? Like Santa Cruz.
Yeah, like Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz is frigid.
Iceberg, témpano de hielo flotante, glaciers. Nuevamente, again, Alaska beautiful.